So I bought a K68 mechanical keyboard online for around 10 bucks because the N key wasn't working. Every other key was working and it sounds really good. This keyboard is quite compact and doesn't take much desk space. Now let's take off all the keycaps, and we are also going to pull off the switch for N key, and you can see we have a loose contact pad. Now let's unscrew the keyboard so we can access the PCB. Let's disconnect the battery, and here is the point we need to solder as it is shaky. Now if you use a tweezer to jump these points, you can see key N is being recorded. I'm going to desolder and solder again. Now let's test, and the N key is now working. We can now close the keyboard and put it back together. And it works.